How to withdraw using peer-to-peer here at OnlineX. Let's go! Okay, sa ating Nexus, need tayong pumunta sa assets dahil nandun ang ating mga ANT guys. Upon recording, meron tayong 40 available ANT. So, kailangan natin tong palitan ng USDT. So, kailangan natin pumunta sa home para malaman natin ang default C2C trader ng ating platform. I-click ngayon natin ang support. Ayan. Now, next thing is ask support who is the designated trader for you. So, in my case, they gave me the UID of my designated trader. So, let's go back to Nexus and to assets so we can transfer our ANT to the designated trader. At asset, hit transfer out. So I'm choosing ANT and I'm using max to maximize my ANT. And I'm going to paste the UID of my trader. So I'm going to pay 2.5047 ASC for the fee. Total ANT is 40.8743 and it's worth 50.6 USDT. So I'm going to hit the transfer for the transaction and just hit confirm to transact. So it will take 30 minutes up to 2 hours for the trader to transact and see your request. Keep in mind that if the trader doesn't see your request after 2 hours, your ANT will be back to your asset wallet. Also, we can ask support 24 hours to help you in any transaction. Always remember that. So in my case, I received the USDT in less than 30 minutes. So I already have my $50 on my asset account. So right now we're going to transfer our USDT from Nexus Assets to OnlineX Funding Wallet. So from Nexus to Funding, then choose USDT to transfer it to Funding Wallet. So I'm using USDT in max and just hit confirm. So there is no fee upon transferring your Nexus asset to your Funding Wallet. Now go to your asset on your OnlineX, and as you can see, I already transferred it to my Funding Wallet at OnlineX. So hit funding and hit USDT and hit withdraw. And again, you need to choose the network. So I'm choosing BEP20. You can also add your address so next time you will withdraw, there will be no hassle in your part. So upon recording, I'm using my Web3 wallet on Binance. And I'm going to paste my USDT BEP20 wallet to my OnlineX save address wallet. You can also have name for your wallet at your OnlineX. After you save it, all data will be recorded at our platform, which is OnlineX. So next time you withdraw, there will be no hassle at your part. Okay, transaction fee upon withdrawing from your OnlineX funding wallet to your Binance wallet using your BEP20 will be 0.8 USDT. Just remember that. So in my case, I will be receiving $49.8416 to my Binance wallet. So hit confirm and they will ask for security verification that will be sent to your email. So just hit get code to get the code at your email. So my verification code was sent to my email, as you can see. And after that, your withdrawal will be on your wallet within 5 to 10 minutes only. So it was already sent to my Binance account in just a few minutes. As you can see, at my history on Binance Wallet, I already received the $40 from Olenex platform. So that's how to withdraw your profit from your Olenex account to Binance account or any wallet you wanted to use. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.